temperature was 59 degrees, the dew point 57, and the relative humidity 93%. The wind was
Service in Ruskin has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Hardee County in central Florida, southeastern Hillsborough County in west central Florida, southwestern Polk County in central Florida, northeastern Manatee County in west central Florida until 4:15 a.m. At 3:43 a.m., a severe thunderstorm likely of producing a large tornado was located near Duette, or 15 miles southeast of Greater Sunday Center, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Hardee, southeastern Hillsborough, southwestern Polk, and northeastern Manatee counties, including the following locations: Fort Greene, Fort Lonesome, Duette, Bradley Junction, Eliphi, River State Park, Fort Meade, Homeland, and Willow Oak. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:15 a.m. for the following counties. In Florida, Hardee and Polk,